Using Lyft Cash to pay for the ride is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open the Lyft application. Then, locate the Lyft app on your smartphone and launch it. After that, select your destination and enter your desired pickup and drop-off locations in the search bar at the top of the screen. Then, choose your ride type. Select the type of Lyft car you prefer, such as Lyft XL, Lux, or Black, based on your needs and budget. Now, tap the payment option. Before confirming your ride, tap the payment button located near the bottom of the screen. So select Lyft Cash from the payment options list. Choose Lyft Cash as your preferred payment method. Then double-check that all the details, including your pickup location, destination, car type, and payment method are correct. Once satisfied, tap Confirm Ride. Now your assigned Lyft driver will arrive at your pickup location shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your Lyft ride knowing your payment is covered by your Lyft Cash balance.